In this tutorial, we'll cover how to check for driver issues when plugging in the Arduino and how to resolve those issues. Let's begin. First, let's check for issues. Plug the Arduino into your device and open the Device Manager by holding the Windows and X key on your keyboard. Then, click Device Manager. From there, look for ports and click it to open the drop-down. Look for the UART bridge controller. Now, check for a yellow warning sign. This will let you know if you have a driver issue. If you see a warning sign, continue on to learn how to fix it. Now, let's resolve the driver issue. Download the provided driver file linked in our documentation. Then, open the zip folder on your device and click Extract All. Then, click Extract to extract the zip into a location, such as Downloads, on your device. Now, back in the Device Manager, right-click on the UART bridge controller and select Update Driver. From there, click Browse My Computer for Drivers, select Browse, and choose the unzipped folder as shown and click OK. Click Next and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Now you're ready to set up your Arduino board in the Arduino IDE. If you're still running into issues, explore these options and refer to our knowledge base or reach out to our customer success team for assistance.